So a lot of people want to know what's happening under the hood of the D.I.Wire to figure out how it works. Let me tell you. We could bend from 0.4 millimeter wire to 5.5 millimeter titanium. Now to bend something like this, you're going to need a lot of strength and a lot of control to bend something as fine as the thinnest wires. So how do we do it? Well, we start with smart motors. Here's a stepper. We have some controllers to really drive it to a precision position every time, and some nice gearboxes to be able to handle the forces that are required for something like this. That's all well and good, but the heart of the machine is a big gear. And that's to give us the power that we need and the precision controlled. These precision gears really go up and down real nice, rotate beautifully so that it gets to exactly the position we want, despite the forces required for something big or the precision needed for something small. But that's not all you need. You need tooling. So if you want something for very large, we can make a very big tool to pass the wire through, or for very small, we make some very tiny tools. And these get put in here, and when the wire gets fed, these are all made exactly to the parts that we need. So what we did for winter cotton is we used the 1/8 inch tool for the 304 stainless steel, and then we would switch it out for any other kind of material and any other kind of gauge.